Hello, this is Robert with RJ Solution 6, and today we're going to go over how to make sure your website stays online. Now, you spend all this money on AdWords and SEO and everything, but a lot of people don't even monitor to make sure their website actually stays online. And this is something I came across with several clients where their website could be down for days. They don't even know it. Could be due to an update, could be due to a hack that happened on their website, or something didn't get paid, no telling. But your website's down and you don't know it and you're spending money on it. Wouldn't it be nice if there was a way to monitor that without having to spend a lot of money for it? Well, there is. You can go over to a website called Uptime Robot, and you can monitor up to 50 websites. It will check your website every 5 minutes. It doesn't cost you anything. You can also space them out, I believe, all the way up to 15 minutes or even maybe a half an hour. But it will actually email you if your website goes down. It'll also text message you if you want that. And it'll also even email you when it comes back up. So like if your server's doing a backup at midnight, it'll send you an email that it went down, send you an email that it came back up. So this is a great tool for making sure your website's up all the time and that you know when it goes down so you can fix it, because a website that is down is costing you money. Till next time.